toughest question asked in NEET exam in physics section and from the chapter fluid mechanics, right? Fluid mechanics. And here, let's try to solve this question, students. So here we are having the question, consider a water tank shown in the figure. It has one wall at x is equal to L. That we can see that, not an issue. Sir, can be taken to be very wide in z direction. That is a point which you should, definitely underline. So when filled with a liquid of surface tension S and density rho, the liquid surface makes an angle theta naught, and here you can see that theta naught is very small with x-axis. So theta x can be written as sine theta x because it's very small, tan theta x, and tan theta can be written as obviously dy by dx, that is the slope, and g is the gravitational acceleration, and here we are having the options, right? So here what I'm thinking is, everyone, we have to find d2i by dx square, right? So I'm thinking, sir, let's suppose I'm considering very small portion, everyone, very small portion, and that is dx. That is dx. So here I'm writing this width is dx, this length is y, and this, which is very wide, is z. Correct? And in this case, so this is the, you can see that this is the, water level. So I am zooming it. Let's suppose I am zooming in 4x, everyone. So here you will be saying, sir, force because of surface tension is F. Here the force because of surface tension is F, right? From here to here. Here angle will be theta, and here angle will be theta plus d theta. Very small angle has been changed, right? Yes, sir. Now if you'll see very carefully, everyone, sir, in this case, the upper force will be, sir, this angle is theta plus of d theta. This angle is theta. So this one is F. Force due to surface tension, this is F, right? So the vertical force because of this is going to be equal to F sine theta, F sine theta plus theta naught, right? Component in y direction, and in this direction F sine of theta, right, everyone? So let's suppose this is the water level which we are considering, everyone, right? Here you can see that. Correct. Now if you will see very carefully, sir, everything is at rest, and if everything is at rest, then we can say, sir, forces in vertical direction must be 0. So F sine of theta plus theta naught, which is acting upward, minus of F sine of theta, which is acting downward, that must be equal to mg. What is m? Mass of this small portion of water, right? Container. Now, so because theta is very small, then we can write F theta plus of theta naught minus of F theta is equal to mg. F theta and F theta has been cancelled out. So F theta, this should be d theta. Yeah. F of, everyone, d theta is equal to mg. Right? Yes, sir. Everything is fine till now. Now, if you'll see very carefully, sir, T is equal to F upon L. So force is equal to surface tension into L. Right? Now, if you'll see, sir, which length I should consider, whether it is dx, y, or z. Sir, obviously surface tension is acting in z direction, right? In z direction, Anna? Yes, sir. In this way. Pardon. In this way, if you will see, this way, right? This way, in z direction, right? Yes, sir. So force can be written as T into L into this. L is nothing but it's a length in z direction into d theta is equal to m into g. T into z into d theta, that can be written as, m can be written as, everyone, M can be written as density into G into V. What will be the volume? Sir, for the volume we can write dx into y into z. Now if you'll see very carefully, z and z has been cancelled out. So here we have got t into the theta is equal to rho into g into dx into y. Now if you'll see very carefully, everyone, they have given dy by dx is equal to tan theta, which can be written as theta. So because we need d2y by dx square, d2y by dx square is going to be equal to, that must be equal to, sir, d theta by dx, right? Now use this expression over here. Let's differentiate this whole term from with respect to x. So sir, t into d theta upon dx can be written as rho into g into y. Dx and dx will be cancelled out, right? And this term can be written as, everyone, this term can be written as surface tension is actually S. Let's suppose S into d theta by dx is, so d2y by dx square is going to be equal to rho into g into y, rho into g into y, right? And we need only, we need only, sir, d2y by dx square. So we can write d2y by dx square, everyone, is equal to rho into g into y upon surface tension. And here is the answer of this question, right? Everything is clear?